2026 deserves a big warm round of love. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it to them. And now we return for a very exciting announcement because Pablo will be awarding a special award on April 18. And the winner will appear in a very special and exclusive campaign feature. And we'll be wearing Pablo merchandise plus cash prizes. So let's stay tuned for further announcements on Pablo.TYLG official page and the Miss Universe Philippines social media platforms. So there, guys, what did you think of the collections? Yes, amazing. Just like our Miss Universe Philippines contestants, delegates. Okay, what a wonderful afternoon, and the celebration, ladies and gentlemen, is not over yet. We are officially opening the store, so let's all head over to Pablo. Let's go.